welcome back to my channel. Now this evening it's another cooking video and I'm going to be trying the now viral vodka pasta by Gigi Hadid. I think that's how you say her name. So I have seen this everywhere the past few days. I don't know why, it just seems to suddenly be cropping up all over the place and everyone says it is delicious and it looks flipping delicious as well. The idea of putting vodka in pasta is an interesting concept, however I'm all up for trying it. So got my ingredients here. Now the actual recipe says to use shell pasta, but I figured I'd just use what we have here. So this is actually whole wheat, but you know, pasta's pasta, so yeah. And then we have some olive oil, some double cream. The recipe says heavy cream, but we're in the UK, so double cream. Garlic, real garlic. Normally I cheat and just used crushed garlic from a little jar, so doing the real garlic today. And then we actually have mozzarella as the cheese. The recipe says parmesan, but we couldn't find parmesan, and that actually worked out well for me because I don't really like parmesan, so we've got mozzarella. If I found parmesan, I totally would have tried it because I'm just all up for trying the complete recipe, but we couldn't find it. So this is the vodka we have gone for. I have never had this vodka before. To be honest, I haven't drunk vodka in a very long time, unless it's like part of a cocktail or something and you can't taste it. So yeah, just picked this one out. Didn't want the cheapest of the cheap, didn't want the most expensive, so Russian standard it is. Crushed chili, an onion, tomato puree, and I've got another one here just in case this doesn't do it. And here, haha, these are cup measurements, which is going to be very helpful because this is an American recipe, so the recipe is in cup sizes, and also the amount of recipes that I have to convert the amount so I know actually how much I'm putting in. Now it's just super handy to actually have some cup sizes, so that's going to help me out a lot. This is also a garlic presser, which again is new. I've never used this before, so that's going to be fun. We'll work that one out together. Anyway, first things first, I need to get this pasta boiling, so that is cooking away whilst we make the vodka tomato sauce. Right, so whilst that pasta starts boiling, I am going to chop the onion, and also I'm gonna have to Google how to actually prepare a real garlic clove as well. So yeah, let's get on with it. I get to use my little cup measurement things for the first time. So it is half a cup of olive oil that goes in here, which is, hold up, this much. That's a lot of olive oil, but we've just got to go with it. Okay, so I've literally just realised I popped the onion in. I put a whole onion in and it was a big onion, and you were only meant to put a quarter in, but I like onion, my husband likes onion, so we just got a heavy onion vodka pasta. It's fine. 4 times the onion. Yeah. Right, now I actually have to Google how to prepare this little garlic clove here, so I don't know, I might just YouTube it. YouTube's the way to go with these things, I feel. So, how to prepare garlic cloves. And actually, I need to check the amount of garlic we actually need in this one. Oh, Jamie Oliver, let's try him. Okay, so he's actually using a knife, which I'm not gonna do. So I basically just need to get a clove, which I think is only one section of one of these, and then put it through this thing. So let's give it a go. Okay, that is bubbling away nicely. So, also need to add in a 1/4 cup of tomato puree. So I'm gonna quickly pop that in now, and then we just wait for it to look caramelized before adding in the cream. Got to say, it looks a little strange right now. Definitely doesn't look like a sauce, but from the videos I've watched, other people's looks like this at this point too. So I think we're gonna be okay. What do we do next? So cook until it appears a bit caramelized, and then add in heavy cream and add in the vodka. So how much heavy cream? 1/2 cup of heavy cream and 1 tablespoon of vodka. Right, so I have stirred it and now it's all combined, and honestly, it smells incredible. Really, really, really good. And the oil, if you don't mix it, the oil keeps coming back, so I keep having to stir it all in. But yeah, it smells amazing. And there is definitely a hint of vodka smell, for sure. So I don't know how much it's gonna taste like vodka. But I'm gonna drain my pasta and mix it in, and then you put a knob of butter in and watch that melt in, and then it is ready to serve. And I'm actually really excited about eating this now. Look at that. That butter melting, oh my goodness. There it is. Keep melting, butter. I think it's time to serve. You're meant to sprinkle the cheese on top, but I'm thinking I'm actually gonna sprinkle it in the pan and let it melt a bit and like stir it all in. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Wow. Alrighty, moment of truth. Vodka pasta smells absolutely insane, so let's go for it. That is delicious. That is absolutely delicious. People are telling the truth, it's amazing. Oh my goodness, that is amazing. Right, I'm gonna have to end this video so I can eat this. Thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.